Let's learn how to check our recently watched Reels on Instagram. If you've scrolled and watched Reels in the Instagram app, but you now want to find that specific Reel, then I'll show you some methods on how you can check out and find those Reels which you had watched. And before we start, please hit that subscribe button because it would really help me out. Let's open the Instagram app on our phone, and then I'll go over to my Instagram Reels section and watch some Reels. For example, I really like this reel with the purple and orange sky and these trees on the left and right. It's a pretty cool reel, but what if I scroll and watch a couple more reels, but I now want to find the reel which I had watched at the beginning? Maybe you went to the home page, on your profile, or some other place in the app. The thing is that you can go over to the Instagram Reels section once again, and then scroll to the top until you find the reel which you had watched. You just need to make sure that you didn't close or exit your Instagram app on the phone, or you have to make sure that not a lot of time has passed from when you saw that video. So just go back to the Reels section of the app, then swipe up, and you should see that Instagram Reel which you had been looking for. But for some of you, this method won't work because you've exited the app, or maybe you've watched that Instagram Reel a week or more ago. If that's the case, then I'll show you another little trick on how you can find that. This step will work for you if you had liked that reel, maybe you've commented on it or you interacted with it. If you found that reel useful, funny, or educational, then there's a good possibility that you've liked it and pressed that little heart icon. So what you want to do is to go over to your Instagram profile, then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen in order to open the Instagram settings. Once you open this page, you'll want to tap on this Your Activity button. Then you'll see a section called Interactions, and if you've liked that Instagram reel, then you can go over to the Likes section, and that's going to open another page with all the different videos and posts which you had liked on Instagram, including the Reels. I've liked the reel from the beginning of the video, and you can see that it's in the top left of my screen. If you've liked your reel a week or so ago, then you can scroll down a little bit until you find that reel. Or if you left a comment on the reel, then you can go over to the Comments section, and I've commented "Hey" on the reel, which I had watched earlier. As you can see, here is my comment, and I can click on the reel if I want to open it. But if you haven't liked or commented on that reel, then you won't find it in the Interactions section. Another thing that we can do is to search for the Instagram account which posted that reel. If you remember the name of the account, then you can go over to that specific profile, then click on the Reels section, and then scroll until you find that reel which you are looking for. The good thing is that I remembered the Instagram account name, and I can see that this is the reel from the beginning of the video. Those are 3 different ways on how you can check the reels which you had watched recently. Instagram doesn't have a watch history option like TikTok does, so these are the best ways on how we can check the watch history for now. If you have any suggestions or tricks for this topic, then please leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.